Hello friends, good morning. Today I'm gonna take you some different place. Like this is the small farm, like they're producing vegetables. It's my friend's place actually. Today I'm gonna take a trip on this place and I will have like this free range chicken and plus I'm gonna have a breakfast here with fresh stuff. So this is his farm. He's growing vegetables in these places and he has some bee stuff. I don't know what's going on with this, but I see there's a couple of bees is here coming and going. I don't know if he has any honey or anything. And he has like beautiful, very quite nice place. And he has some trees around. He has chicken. It's like beautiful quiet place. So we will see what is inside. So I will just show you everything that he got it. So look at this beautiful lemon and all. Look at this. I want to have one of them. Smells very nice. Smells very beautiful. Of course, some noisy here sometimes because they're working. People do stuff there, and it may be a little bit noisy. But anyway, never mind. You're gonna enjoy this. Okay, now I'm picking some tomato, and I will pick also cucumber. Wow, look at this. Very beautiful, very fresh. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. Oh, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. I just pick it here, guys. Look at this. There's one more here in this corner. I'm gonna take it. See? Wow. This is even more fun. It's more fun just picking yourself your own tomato and everything. It's, oh my god, it's beautiful. Look at this. Wow. So beautiful color. I'll take one more. I will do this and I will use it for breakfast now. I mean, we'll pick some egg as well. Okay, I want to take some aubergine. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna take. Look at this. It's beautiful. Very fresh. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. Wow. Oh god. Oh god, guys, look at it. Oh shit. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Terrible job, terrible job. Okay, okay. Accident happens. Accident happens. I put it back and it will grow here. No one here, huh? Right? Okay.
So.
Selam verme devam. Anladık. Hayret bir şey ya. I understand, my friend. That's good. All right, now we're taking some cucumbers. Look at it. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Beautiful here. Wow. I love what I see here. So beautiful. Wow, look at this. It's just like let me make you hear something. Look at this. Ah. Wow. You know what? This is beautiful. I love it. But I'm gonna get some more. Now we're continuing somewhere else. I will show you some other places. Heaven. It's so heaven. It's beautiful. I love this, like, you know, village life, you know, like farms and everything. Very peaceful, very quiet. You can hear the birds. You hear it? You can hear the birds and everything. Not much traffic around and everything. Is really beautiful. I love this. Like, I mean, wow, it's very nice. I'm happy to be here today. This is a tomato. That was a cucumber in the other place, and this one here is tomato. It's not ready yet. Like, will be ready in 20 days. Around 20 days will be ready. You can see it closer yourself. So look at it. It's beautiful. Very nice. Wow. It's beautiful. Okay, we'll go another section. You can see it. Very beautiful. Very nice. We're gonna get a couple of them here as well. Okay. Okay, paprika, paprika. We're gonna grill them later on, guys. We're gonna grill them. Let me see. Okay, here it is. I can take this one. Ah, it's beautiful. Wow, look at this. Very nice. So now we're like another. Actually, we're in the same place, but for paprika. No, this is like chili pepper, sorry, not paprika. Paprika is the other one. So I'm gonna take a couple of them. I don't know if I really should try this one. You want to try one? I wonder how it is like. Okay, I'm a little bit chicken with this. I'm terrible. Ah! Oh! Sorry. Wow. It's worse. It's terrible, terrible, terrible. Reggio, try the rest.
No.
Okay. If you enjoy it as much as I did, I picked a couple of stuff. And look at this. I also picked persil. It's very fresh. Want to eat one? Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Very beautiful. Aubergine, chili pepper, paprika, and I have tomato also under and cucumber. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this. Guys, look at what I find here. Look at this, adorable. Look at this, gorgeous. Hey, what's up? Hey, okay.
Come on.
Oi. We're continuing picking something. Now it's like we have like eggs. I wanna have it some. All right. Okay. Look at this. It's beautiful. Beautiful, 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 guys. Look at this. Wow. All right. I'm gonna have one more. Wow. Look. Okay, I want to see more. You see this? Rooster and his wives. I'm picking the eggs and they're after me. Okay, I find it here. 3 more. Look at that. Look at that there. Okay, I'm gonna pick them. I'm gonna pick them. I hope they're not coming and biting my... Okay, my camera guy cannot come here. I will see if there is anything. Oh, there's also one is up now. Look at the guy one. Alright, I'm coming and taking your egg too. Yeah, there's a couple of them here. Oh, look at this. I got more. Alright, I got more. Woo! More egg. More egg. I want to see there. Hello, girl. Okay. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh yeah. Oh, we find the mine. Whoa. Whoa, look at this. Wait for it. Okay. This is still warm. This one is warm, guys. It just come out of the egg. Ah, it's warm. Look at this one. Yes, these are, today we pick, as you know, like we have aubergine and paprika and chili pepper, eggs, persil, and there's tomato as well and cucumber under. Yes, we get some butter. Actually, they did this butter at home here, so we get it. So I just want to put it over the fire, and let's see them. Oh, smells beautiful, this butter though. You know, it's really nice. Yes. Gentlemen, I'm gonna start my egg now. Beautiful. Oh, the color of this egg, so beautiful. Oh, so fresh as well. Wow, look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. Nicely done. There was a lot of butter on this. Look at the color of this egg, guys. Huh? What a beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. I can do this all day long, guys. Really, this is, wow, beautiful. Very nice and juicy. Alright. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my friends. So we're gonna enjoy some egg here. Bye for now.